Welcome, today in front of me Xiaomi Pad 5 and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the sound section. Here you'll see the silent mode section. Just to activate the silent mode on your device, you should click here once on the switcher, and also you can silence the media in the silence mode just by the same way. Click here once on the switcher, and as you can see that silent mode is activated on our device. And now just to turn off the silent mode, you should click once again on the switchers. And also you got the second way how we can do that. Just you should swipe this volume panel, the notifications volume panel, to the left side with your finger, and you will move all the notifications. That means that you just turn on the silent mode. And also here, if you'll open notification panel, you'll see here the bell icon. And when you'll just click once on the bell icon, you'll see here the message that silent mode is on. So that's it, and just to turn off the silent mode, click here once again on the smooth icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.